County traffic Cessnas. Departing on way 31, Barrow County. Towers coming up. Good RPMs. Temperature, pressure, degree. Your speed is alive. 55. Barrow County traffic. Left base 31 Barrow. Barrow County traffic Cessnas. Turning final 31. Full stop Barrow. Barrow County traffic Cessna 737 31. Bravo taxi 23 departing 23 departing to the west Barrow. Good RPMs. Everything's in the green. Barrow County traffic Cessnas. Turning a right crosswind 23 departing the area to the west Barrow County. One at 2000. Good morning, everybody. It is a nice early 5:30. Just a quick little 17-mile, 10-minute flight from Winder to Lawrenceville. We'll check the weather at Lawrenceville, see what it's like. Should be about like Winder.
Gwinnett County Airport. Automated weather observation. 1039er. Zulu. Wind calm. Visibility 10. Sky condition clear. Temperature 04 Celsius. Dew point 03 Celsius. Altimeter 2. Remarks.
Gwinnett County traffic Cessna is about 10 miles to the east, heading up for about a 3-mile final runway 25 Gwinnett. Gwinnett County traffic Cessna is about 5 miles to the east-northeast, setting up for about a 3-mile straight-in runway 25 Gwinnett. Gwinnett traffic Cessna about a 3-mile final runway 25 Gwinnett. Gwinnett traffic Cessnas. Short final 25 Gwinnett. Hey, flaps coming up. Approved up. Gwinnett traffic Cessna. To Lawrenceville. Okay, here. We'll get the citation pre-flighted and just a quick day trip over to Charleston. Pretty easy.